Okay, let's have some fun with Chapter 5 Island Theme Lobby Music of Fortnite. This is like a little bit beginner, but also a little bit not. And if there's anything that's not working, it's probably going to be these octaves or some fast notes. So take some of the notes out. If it's an octave in the right hand, just play the higher note. If it's an octave in the left hand, just play the lower note. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and play through this. Probably need to stop a little bit. But here's what we're going to learn. Just one note. Then that again, that octaves. And this part's interesting. I'm just gonna stop right there. Okay, there's one part that I hear a little differently than I just played it, and that's after you do this octave. It could be this. If it's not, it's this, but it could be this. So, which one is it? Well, I keep hearing it differently, but either one sounds cool. So do the one that sounds cool. Okay, let's break it down. Let's back up. Again, these octaves are too much. Just go to the outside. Okay, so I'm gonna, as I teach, I'm gonna do the octaves though. This beginning part is a lot of repeated notes, which is, obviously this song's not played on piano, so I'm imitating the strings. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. The best thing to do is to just keep track of all these 16th notes, okay? If this is my beat, if this is my quarter note, then what I'm playing are 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go up to this one on the fifth note. The fifth note will be a B, and then back to A for 3 more counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then same thing, but this time instead of a B, I'm going to play a C. So together, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next part's a little trick here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, B, A, C, A. Then we have 2 A's, and then B, A, C, A, D, A. Every little section of this will have 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then do the next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breaking into those 4 sections, get really good at them, and then play them together. Start slow, it'll help. You can also play them, you could play them with 2 hands and it might help. In some ways it's harder, so I think just learning how to do it with 1 hand works well. If that's too hard, you could simplify it further and just do this. That last part, let me try that again. It would be like that. I would just take out every other note. It doesn't sound quite the same, so do it the original way, just start slow and keep track of the notes. And this is just doing 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so for every note here, I have 2 notes in my right hand like this. So get used to this. Okay, after we do that part, my left hand's jumping up here to have a simple accompaniment, simple 8th note ostinato. didn't mention it at the beginning, I'm just playing an A octave, a low A octave. And my little star, by the way, is middle C. Okay, so practice that on its own, and then when you're comfortable with that, my right hand's playing A, up a 7th to G, back to A, and my left hand's doing a 7th right there. I thought that sounded harmonically accurate, even though I think some of those, the orchestra is playing up here. So then we go back. Let's just start over. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on 7 and 8, I have, or 7, 8, 7, 8. In my left hand, I'm playing a C in my right hand. And then I play this D. 1, 2, 3, 4 times in the left hand underneath the D, and then 2 times for each of these notes. 1, 2 underneath the C, 1, 2 underneath the B, and now without stopping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I switch to my 6th, the A to the F. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me do just the right hand, just in case that was too fast or confusing. A all the way up to G, it's a big stretch, it's a 7th, back to A. Then C, D, C, down to B, down to A. All playing around middle C. Okay, the next part, similar, but I'm gonna start using octaves, and there's this guitar part, and I thought it'd be cool to add. There we go, that sounds better. The little guitar, a little bit of the guitar ornament that's coming in. It's because it sounds so cool. So we have same melody, just played in octaves. Left hand's the same, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this E, F, E, and the last E comes down with this 5th here. So all together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch to my 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Notice the fingers that I use for all of these parts, and try your best to use those fingers. Your hand might be smaller or just different, and that's okay. You can use other fingers, but the fingers I'm using are intentional and will probably make playing easier. So when I do this, and then these fingers are all set up to play this little ornament right here, that's going to help a lot. If you can't reach them, just let go of the octave, because once you play it, you don't need to keep holding it. If you haven't noticed already, I'm using a sustain pedal so that when I play, the notes just keep ringing out. That's another thing you can just take away if it's too complicated. Okay, so keep that in mind. So now that we've just done that, I'll do it one more time. Oops, here we go. Then we have octaves on B, C, D, and then you can either stay here or go down to G and D. Now I've got, I chose to do single notes here. It's the same melody we had before. I'm just playing an F and a C in my left hand. A, G, A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I go down to E and B and play 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or the A and the G for each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But then I'm gonna play D, and my left hand comes up to G and D. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's pretty straightforward. I don't think I need to play that again. So let's go on to the next part. It's the same melody, but once again, now adding octaves. And this last part's interesting. I have an E and a B going while my right hand goes back to those 16th notes, and I'm playing E, 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then these two, which is E and F, and then E and G. Or you can play all three. Definitely E and G sharp, or maybe A flat. hey, if you like the sound of this or this or this or some combination of those notes, go for it. Again, I think it sounds pretty cool anyway. We're going to just do this to keep it simple, 2 notes. Now here, you can just keep using the same rhythmic pattern of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you're done. But it kind of sounds like they're speeding up, like they're getting twice as fast. I also think I still hear this note with it, so if you want to make it harder, you can keep this note while you add these notes stepping up and only play them 4 times instead of 8. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to take both my hands or just my left hand and go down and play these low A's. It's the 2nd and 3rd A below middle C. There we go. Have fun with that. Like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have a question or what you want to see in another tutorial. And peace.